Whoa. Oh shit.
Georgia, southwestern Dade County, and northwestern Georgia until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was
For Dayton Walker.
10 miles north of Fort Payne, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Chickamauga, Lafayette, Chattanooga Valley, Rising Farm, Linwood, Noble, Cooper Heights, and Rock Spring. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 11, effective until 9 a.m.
Oh, I didn't know this thing go off. Shit. Okay. Okay, so I did find out that I can get Anderson Station across from my living room. So.
That's funny.